Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are going to listen Oscar Piastri. Let's listen to him.
Well, let's see what the pole sitter himself thinks about how the race will unfold. But before we do, I'm just thinking, Oscar, the sun's shining, classic track, you're leading the championship. I mean, is this the Dolce Vita? When you woke up this morning, this is what you got into sport for, I suppose?
Pretty much, yeah. No, it's been a great weekend. Coming back to Imola is always a fun track to drive, and yeah, it's been a great weekend. So, looking forward to this afternoon. There is some rain about, so we'll see what happens there. But no, it's been great so far, and hopefully we can have a good race.
Yeah, I mean, the start is obviously significant. How aggressive, we talked a little bit about this yesterday, how aggressive do you sense Max will be off the line? He'll maybe see it as his best chance of the win today.
Yeah, I mean, I think it would certainly help his chances. It would help my race out if I could be in the lead too. But we'll see. You know, I know how Max is going to race, and I know how I'm going to race. So let's see. But I'll try and get the best that I can, and hopefully not have to worry about it too much.
Yeah, I mean, the other aspect is high safety car likelihood here. For those that are kind of gifting you the win already, there's a lot of work to do.
There sure is. It's a long race around here. A lot of laps. It's a circuit that any laps in concentration, and you're in the gravel and probably a wall. So it's certainly not going to be straightforward. And the tyres as well. We don't know what's going to happen. They're softer than last year, so we'll see how many stops we have to do.
Yeah, just fine. You take it as it comes. You're not thinking championship points. I know maybe that'll be later in the year, but at this stage, every manoeuvre, every moment of the race on its merits.
Yeah, definitely. I obviously want to try and go out and win the race. That's going to help my championship as well. But let's wait and see. So try to do my best. If I can win the race, then I'll try. And if I can't, then I'll settle for what's next best.
Go well today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All the best. Yeah.
Yeah, we have listened Oscar Piastri as the other interviews. I'm not going to comment anything about this interview. Just don't forget to like the video, comment it, and subscribe to the channel. And of course, we'll have also the interviews from the other drivers.